okay, we're back, or maybe we never left.
We never really left.
No,
I
we
just
didn't
keep
leave.
hitting the button. We just and keep telling
Boom,
different stories.
boom, boom. All right, now I'm going to tell another story.
Brooklyn, New York.
It's not a story, it's the truth.
We do tons of deals in Brooklyn.
Tons in Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.
Like, we're Brooklyn all the way.
We're Brooklyn all the
We
way.
like Brooklyn. Anyway, so we did.
Brooklyn is on fire.
Oh my
It's
God.
amazing.
It's like the hottest
the
real estate
values.
market in,
Oh
honestly.
my! It's up. Brooklyn's the hot spot.
It is the hot spot.
I know.
It's crazy.
Crazy.
It's amazing.
Okay, so tell me about this
All right,
deal we
so
did in
the
Brooklyn.
deal that we did was multi
Mixed use.
unit. Was it mixed use?
It was a
Okay.
store downstairs, and I think 2 or 3 apartments
All right,
upstairs.
so it was mixed use.
Oh, I know.
And it was fully occupied. That wasn't the issue for this particular borrower. The problem was that the bank that they had called the loan due because the mother had, I think, had passed away and left the property to the daughter. So the daughter had to get the property in her name.
We're seeing
So-
tons, I keep saying it, but we see tons of deals where banks or private lenders are not renewing or not
No.
extending loans. It feels like
They wanted to be paid
it
off.
feels like 70, such a large number of our loans
Well,
that way.
what's happening from feedback that I get from a lot of the brokers and just like, watching what's going on different, sites is that they want to get out of the commercial market, a lot of them. They're just not
It could be,
you know.
but this was a mixed use,
mixed use.
collateral-based loan,
Mm-hmm.
no appraisal, came from a mortgage
Yes.
broker. Loan amount was, I think, $450,000.
Yeah, something
Again,
like that.
our brand.
And also, like, the reason like they couldn't go to a bank was because it really was like close with debt servicing. Like, our payment, versus what she collects in rent, because the rent was a little under market. So they're going to, raise the rents. And now that the daughter owns the property, she's going to put a little more care and attention to the property. And, at a certain point, they'll be able to refinance out of our loan.
We did another fantastic deal in Brooklyn. It was a similar situation with the daughter. I don't want to say the name. I forget the name. She actually was one of the few people who came to the office that the property, she inherited or something, and the property needed a ton of work, and we lent her money to solve the licensing issues, the violations with Brooklyn, with New York.
New
And
York
she
has a lot of violations.
She was so grateful to us.
Yeah, and
She was
after
so
she did
thankful.
I remember that deal. After she did all the work and cleaned up the violations, the property almost doubled in
Yes,
value.
yes,
Yeah.
that's exactly right. She cleaned it up. We lent her
Cleaned it
money.
up.
No one would do it. We closed it again. No appraisal.
Yeah.
I don't remember if it came from a broker, but I remember her being a very sweet and charming lady.
No, it was
But that's what we
great.
do. Bread and butter deals. Single family homes, mixed use, commercial, retail.
Right.
What else? All kinds of
Owner
stuff.
occupied business.
Yeah, owner occupied
You know,
business.
whatever makes sense.
Yeah. Yep.
So
That's what we do. Like our channel, wherever you see this, like it, leave questions, we answer the questions, subscribe to it, you'll get more, hit the bell or the buzzer, check us out at geltfinancial.com. Remember, we love working with borrowers, investors, and self-employed businesses. If you can go to a bank, go to a bank. Their rates are better than ours, no question about it. But if you can't go to a bank, if you don't have time, banks are taking months and months and months
Close
now.
loans.
If you don't have the time to go to a bank, or if you don't have your documentation in order, give us a call.
Right.
We're going to close the deal quickly. The credit committee's right here. You're always going to speak to a decision maker. We make a decision, usually on the phone. Sometimes it's for the bad, sometimes it's for the good.
Right.
Can't always approve every deal. Some people get annoyed. You didn't approve my deal.
Well,
Guess what?
and also sometimes, like, we want to be as fair as possible. So I'll say I need more information to make a decision.
Guess what?
Too.
If we approved every deal, we'd be out of business. But
Yeah.
if we like the deal, we're going to approve the deal. We issue a term sheet within an hour. We email you the term sheet. You sign it. Boom. You'll get to close very, very quickly. And we're very flexible. If you don't have a certain documentation or this or
we
that,
can talk about it.
yeah,
It's
that's
not a
exactly
problem.
right. You're not dealing with some bureaucrat. As well, we're not selling our loans. We're servicing our loans. So after we close the loan,
You stay with us
you
until
stay
you
with
pay
us.
off.
You're going to make your payments to us, and you're going to pay us off. And if there's a problem, if you need more money or you need an extension or whatever,
We work with
we
you.
work with you. And the vast majority of our people need either more money or an extension. In life, things don't go as
Well,
people plan.
It's not always on everyone's time schedule.
No.
So
Did we get it all
I
in?
think we did.
Anything left
Oh,
unsaid?
good. Nope.
Nothing
All
left
good.
unsaid to me?
Not today. I think we're good.
Okay. Take
All
care.
right.
Have a fantastic day.
Take care.